Warning, BTC price could hit 40k soon. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be doing TA and also some news coverage on the Bitcoin, Ethereum and some altcoins, where the market is going and what's happening in the markets today. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content, because we do have something to discuss about when it comes to the Bitcoin and crypto. So here we have Bitcoin support Wobbles amid warning BTC price could hit 40k next. Let's see why this could potentially happen. So this is something that we discussed in the previous video. Belani doubts altcoins resilience to BTC dip. This is true because what I said in the previous video is mostly about this rising wave formation, which is coming usually from the downtrend. Over here you can see that we re-entered it over here, and I told you in that video, it was 2-3 days ago, that we may actually break to the downside, and there is a probability for that because it's rising wave formation. It came from the downtrend, which pretty much means that that's rising wave formation and not the bull flag. In this case scenario we actually broke bearish, unfortunately, and you can see that we are finding the resistance already. First candle over here, first daily candle on the charts. So this is something to definitely look for, because Bitcoin is not able to break $59,000 or 60. You can even argue for a long period of time. A lot of testing, a lot of resistance was on this level since pretty much 21st February, and you should know clearly there is something wrong on that level. Well, bears are strong there, we don't have buyers right now, the markets are boring, and there is a huge probability that we may see some downtrend in the Bitcoin. Now, what we also discussed in that video is that's also good, and why? Because altcoins may surge to the upside. We discussed in that video that some altcoins are already surging to the upside, so some of the altcoins may actually follow Bitcoin. For example, XRP, because XRP was surging when the Bitcoin did that also. It had some rallies over here and it followed the Bitcoin, and right now we are declining in this big consolidation pattern. So we declined from it as the Bitcoin did. But when it comes to the altcoins, at least most of them or majority of them are following the Ethereum. Well, why Ethereum? Well, as you can see, Ethereum BTC chart, for example, is surging to the upside like crazy, ladies and gentlemen. And even if we switch on the Ethereum USD, well, you can see that the Ethereum is not following Bitcoin at all. So what this basically means is the Ethereum could be a leading indicator for the altcoin season, while Bitcoin decline is also altcoin season indicator, and also Bitcoin dominance fall is good indicator that the altcoins may surge to the upside. This may not be also the case, who knows, but for now many altcoins are up while Bitcoin dominance is falling as the price is consolidating. Well, in this case scenario you can see that the dominance is coming to approach the 2017 lows, which should indicate the beginning of the alt season. So this is something to observe. Definitely watch Bitcoin dominance over here, because we may see decline in price also. As the charts is showing you, you need to watch everything. You can see that the Bitcoin had pure and clear run to the upside over here, and after that you have the consolidation. So whenever you have the consolidation, it doesn't mean it's bearish, but it does mean that something is happening. The bears are overtaking the market and the bulls are getting tired. So this is something to definitely watch. What I want to show you also here on the chart over here is the MACD. This is something that is not giving me so much hope for the Bitcoin uptrend, at least not in the recent weeks. Why? Well, you can see 4th week in a row we have already declined in the MACD, which means bulls are taking a break. Make sure to watch everything. This is the weekly chart, and weekly chart is showing you a lot of big movement that could potentially happen. If we switch on the daily back, you can see that we still have a lot of space to go to the downside, and $40,000 as they discussed over here in this article over here, 40k, you can see that 40k is this area that we have on chart already for the previous months or so, and it's going to be important if Bitcoin comes back and retest it. We may see those prices again, but will not necessarily pull the altcoins with it. altcoins may actually surge to the upside. It may give us the chances to fill our bags still and get gains in the altcoins. This is the reason why I'm out of the Bitcoin right now, just to be sure. If it starts to go up, I can buy more. If not, I have altcoins. I can actually exchange those altcoins for the Bitcoin and not for the USDT. And if the Bitcoin starts surging to the upside, altcoins versus Bitcoin starts falling, they are going to probably be good in USDT, so I will actually sell for the USDT, so I'm good both ways. Now, nevertheless, we're talking a lot on this channel about adoption. We're going to go through that very quickly. Canadian Bitcoin ETF issuer 6 green BTC. Again, adoption is continuing despite the price drop or surge. Everything is going in line. Swiss banking giant UBS to reportedly offer rich clients crypto investment. Now, as I read over here, they're not going to recommend a big portion of it because of its volatility, but it's definitely good to see adoption of the crypto space in general. It's very, very important to see bigger players into the crypto, no matter if they're putting 50, 100 or 500,000 boxes. It's important to have the awareness. Next one is the CBOE files, another Bitcoin ETF application with the SEC. So all the time we do have adoption in the crypto space, and this is something to take care of. No matter what the price is doing, up or down, we're going to see the most probably on the long run Bitcoin price always to the upside because of its model, because it's new asset, because in the previous 10 years Bitcoin was spiking all the time. So it's good thing that we have altcoins to actually switch a little bit, to earn a little bit Bitcoin, to switch back, and so on and so on. But for now, short-term analysis by me, I'm not so bullish on the Bitcoin in the next weeks or so, because we may enter the correction of a way forward that we discussed on this channel many times, and as you can see, it's playing out for now. So we're going to follow the price, we're going to see what will happen in the future, so we're going to do more videos soon. I will be traveling most probably, but I will do the videos from there, short updates. If you like this sort of a content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and until the next episode, happy trading, goodbye.